Do you know that kitchen waste may account for 50% of sea pollution and is a major factor in contributing to greenhouse effect?
Will it be of your concern regarding the destination of food residue, like waste landfill or drainage straight to rivers and sea? Undoubtedly, this would easily result in eutrophication, river and sea pollution, and much carbon dioxide emission.
Baby waste recycler is the way out with built-in electric thermal sterilization system. It can sterilize 99% bacteria and viruses at a temperature of up to 126 degrees Celsius. With a press on one button, all the food waste, including fruits, vegetables, meat, eggshell, bones, shells, and even bioplastics, can be recycled within 3 hours through heating, sterilization, dehydration, and grinding. These recycled wastes can be stored for years without going bad, saving 75% in volume and 90% in weight compared to the trash prior to processing. You can use them as organic fertilizer for your garden, or alternatively as biomass fuel, literally turning waste into treasure. With Baby Waste Recycler, for treatment of 4 kilo food waste weekly, you can reduce emission of approximately 65 kilos of carbon dioxide and store approximately 150 kilos of carbon dioxide. This is almost equivalent to environmental benefit of planting 11.6 trees, considering a small tree can absorb 18.3 kilos of carbon dioxide daily. Support us to bring baby into reality and to save our Mother Earth.